family matters take an unexpected turn, having the right family law attorney can make all the difference. You want a dedicated legal team to advocate for your family, your future, and your peace of mind. And joining us to share how the Minella Law Group can help support and guide you every step of the way is founding attorney Kathy Minella. Welcome.
Thank you for having me.
Now, Kathy, family law matters are some of the most stressful times you can face. You're often dealing with emotional and uncertain chapters in your life, and choosing the right attorney to represent you is crucial. And that's where your team can help navigate this journey with confidence and clarity.
Yeah, absolutely. When you're going through a divorce, it's almost like your world is ending and that world is closing. And our job is to get you through to the other side. I like to call myself a professional problem solver. Us getting you through so you can start your next chapter. And whatever that takes, we can get you there. We're a team of all women. We're certified family law specialists, and we can mediate a case or we can litigate a case and bring you through to the end.
Now, talk to us about the scope of your practice and the services you provide.
We provide a wealth of services, kind of like a one-stop shop: divorce, custody, adoptions, guardianships. We do estate planning. We do military law, being a military town. We do fertility law. We do mediations. We do high asset cases. And we do it all. We do it with strength, clarity, and compassion, and we have over 40 years of combined experience.
Now, there is no such thing as a one-size-fits-all legal approach, and Minella Law Group prides itself in tailoring strategies to fit each client's unique situations and their goals.
That's true, we do. There is no one-size-fits-all in law, and you may want to hire an attorney just for one aspect of your case, and we can do that for you. You know, it's not an all or nothing type approach, and we're also very goal-oriented. So I like to have a conversation with each client and say, what are your goals? And we will work towards those goals. We do that with compassion in every case. We may be an all-female firm, but I can tell you that we represent all walks of life and all genders. We represent dads too. We're heroes in the courtroom for dads, and so it's just important that we represent the issue and not the person.
Now, talk about proven results and an incredible track record. Kathy, you were recognized for your exceptional work in family law, earning the Super Lawyers 2025 designation. Congratulations.
Thank you. I'm very proud of that award. I've actually been a super lawyer for several years now. It's a peer review process, and several members of my team also were on the list, which is amazing. It's a commendment. The top 5% of lawyers in America get that award. Additionally, this year alone, I just got Best Lawyer in America, which I'm really proud of. It's a peer review process where my peers had to designate me to earn this award, and it's the first year I've been on that panel. You know, as an attorney, one thing I'm very proud of is that while I love to settle cases and mediate cases, and approximately 90% of my cases settle, I am not afraid to get in the courtroom and litigate. Sometimes litigation is needed in your case.
Now, we love to talk about people's paths, their career trajectory, even their second acts. How did your past eras help you hone your skills and help train you to be a better attorney?
Well, funny enough, I used to do stand-up comedy. It was a bucket list of mine, and when I started doing it, I really enjoyed it. It allowed me to really hone my skills on being on stage and coming up with things on the whim, which is really where my skills shine in the courtroom. You know, the judge will ask a question of you, and you have to be able to answer it on the spot. It also allows me to add some creativity to my arguments in the courtroom and kind of stand out, make a little bit of jest in a really, you know, awful situation.
And you make it so easy to take the first step with a complimentary consultation. What does that look like?
Well, it's as easy as it sounds. You call our office and schedule a consultation. That consultation can be done remotely or by phone. When we're having that call, we're going to talk. We're going to have an honest conversation about what you're facing, what your goals are, maybe some possible legal strategies. We're also going to talk about cost. It's important to have an understanding of what this is going to cost you. We're conveniently located in Mission Valley, right off Friars and the 163 freeway. You know, it really is just about taking that first step, making a call. You can't change your life, right, and go to the next chapter unless you take that first step.
Minella Law Group can help you start your next chapter and start the beginning of your new life. It's as easy as taking the next step and scheduling your complimentary consultation. Call 619-289-7948 or visit minellalawgroup.com. Kathy, we thank you so much for your time and your insight. It's been a pleasure.
Thank you for having me.
And we thank you for joining us on San Diego Living. We'll see you next time.